So, hello. Today we're doing on a 30 centimeter canvas. I'm trying out some color combination. We prepare the canvas with spraying the back with water. That way it stretches nicely. It sounds like a drum. And we have zero risk of it running through the middle. Then we're adding the push pins. The base is a silver. Mixed, the medium is a Baufarn latex binder, and I'm using Bösner Acryl Studio. That's a big art supply here in Germany. It's not expensive paint. For the base coat, I never use expensive paint. Then here, the consistency of those paints is, it just sinks in after a little. That's interference gold of golden. Then here, that's a cool color. We have of golden. It's, oh God, Cautious iron oxide of golden. It's like a metallic oxide, dark silver shiver-ish. Then we are using black, oxide black of Amsterdam, pearl white of Amsterdam, and that's a white of titanium white of Lucas. I'm not sure if I'm using all the colors. For my colors, my medium is Overtroll. That's the equivalent we have here to the US. It's like Floetrol, just thicker. Then I'm using a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium, like a squeeze. And then water to the right consistency. Monochromatic pour-ish, but adding the iridescent gold. As we want to spin it, we don't stretch it out too much. So you want to keep it kind of, you kind of keep a thick-ish layer. We get rid of the air bubbles with the torch. And now, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. I think I will just do black. Then I go for the white, the titanium white. Then this metallic oxide silver-ish thing. Now we're adding a little bit of the pearl white. And the iridescent gold, we just sprinkle over it. we finish it up with the black. So, giving it a torch now, again to get rid of the air bubbles. I like this part actually. And now we spin it. Another torch. Looks smoky. I keep it like that. Maybe a little more. Yeah, I'm keeping it like that. Looks cool.